Apps and softwares have found their way into the hearts and systems of roofing companies, and most continue to deliver value. For this year, we wanted to do more than get nominations for the apps we know roofers know and love, but we wanted to recognize the innovations that these companies have released in this year's feature updates. Number 1. SumoQuote. There are just some things Canadians are better at. When you live in the cold, desolate tundra of the Great White North, I guess you tend to find ways to stay indoors. SumoQuote is the best app for configuring quote prices, and last year's pro features saved many roofers with COVID. The 2021 Innovation of the Year is their finance integration, which is hands down the easiest way to present on payments in a roofing software ever, period. Number 2. The credit app. There has always been a missing piece of the puzzle when it comes to getting properly paid, and this service makes it easy. With just a little bit of verified information, you can now make sure that your unpaid bills show up on customers' credit records, which is better than a lien in many cases when it comes to quickly settling past due payment. More money in your bank account is definitely worth an award. I think we can all agree on that. Number 3. CompanyCam. This app is as ubiquitous in the industry as the roof shingles themselves and holds its position almost without competition, and it's no surprise why. They have consistently innovated the platform every year without creeping outside their core focus of being the best place for photo apps. This year, they launched Showcases, which allows you to get all the search engine optimization benefits that would come from geotagged photos of any job you like displayed on your site. The user interface is well thought out, and the implementation is so easy, your grandmother could do it. Number 4. Get the referral. Friends don't let friends buy bad services, and that's why we wanted to let you know about this amazing service. See how that works? Now you want to check it out. That's Get the Referral, getting a referral. Wouldn't you want to put the same power to work for you? With their app innovation, a custom branded app to your business, you can deliver a more professional experience to your customers and start putting the power of word of mouth at scale to work for you. Number 5. Restoration Referral System. The best app innovations come in the form of customized solutions to your business. Matthew Danskin has custom-built the Boom.io platform to automate lead nurturing and scheduling. With both the infrastructure of an enterprise-grade system and an industry expert setup, you can't go wrong. Number 6. Asset Panda. Any growing roofing company is sure to start collecting a fleet of vehicles, a few shopping carts full of tools, and half an Apple store worth of technology. These things and more become fixed assets, but if you don't track them, you might lose your assets. People walk away with tools, and vehicles need to be maintained. Asset Panda will send you 1,000 barcodes, and their Innovation of the Year allows any shop manager's iPhone to become a barcode scanner for deploying and receiving tools and other trackable assets back into inventory. Anyone who's ever lost a Leister gun knows how nice it would be to know who had it scanned out last. So definitely check out Asset Panda. Number 7. Stack CT. Are you sick of having all the construction takeoffs on someone's desk in the office? Sick of trying to read that 52-year-old estimator's poor handwriting? Then you need a cloud-based construction takeoff software. Power users of Bluebeam and PlanSwift are sure to fall in love with Stack CT. If you want to make big stacks of cash with a simplified construction takeoff process. Number 8. Vidyard. The pandemic changed the way we work and the way we sell. Increased dependence on remote work and living in a new hybrid sales environment has forced companies to look at a new way of connecting and communicating with customers. In a sea of emails, automated text messages, and PDFs, if you want to stand out and get your follow-ups read, you need to be using short-form video, and nobody makes that easier than Vidyard. This year's innovation brought custom-branded landing pages that allow your video viewers to continue the journey and integrate into your CRM, the smoothest buyer's experience ever. Stand out from the crowd with this customer-pleasing video solution from Vidyard. The Roofing Insights Award ceremony will take place on December 9th at Mango's in Orlando, Florida from 8 p.m. till 11 p.m. during the 2021 Roofing Process Conference. You can purchase tickets at the door if you're not attending the conference.